Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Personal Health, a self-assessment project. Which of the following are not considered to be necessary components of a healthy diet? Sugar, salt, protein, butter, vitamins, alcohol, green vegetables. Sugar, salt, butter, and alcohol are not necessarily components of a healthy diet. For which one of the following is there no strong evidence for the beneficial effect of exercise? More efficient muscular contraction, improved stamina, prevention of heart attack, strong muscles, avoidance of obesity, feeling of well-being. At present, the evidence for the beneficial effect of exercise is controversial with respect to the prevention of heart attack and avoidance of obesity. There is not much scientific evidence for the effect of exercise on feeling of well-being, apart from large number of personal observation. What people say. Which of the following diseases are not associated with smoking? Emphysema, hay fever, diabetes, lung cancer, bronchitis, stomach ulcers, bladder cancer, arterial disease, tuberculosis, coronary thrombosis. Hay fever and diabetes are not associated with smoking. The other diseases occur more frequently in smokers than in non-smokers. Match the following description to the terms: drug tolerance, drug dependence. A. If a drug is not taken, there are physical withdrawal symptoms. B. A steadily increasing dose of the drug is needed to achieve an acceptable effect. B. Which of these conditions is also known as addiction? A. Drug tolerance is described by B. Increasing dose are needed to produce the same effect as the initial dose. That is drug tolerance. Drug dependence is described by A. Physical withdrawal symptoms occur if the drug is not taken. B. Addiction is another term for drug dependence. Name two stimulant drugs and state the undesirable side effect of each. amphetamine and cocaine are stimulant drugs. The side effect of amphetamines are high blood pressure, unwarranted self-confidence, and reduced accuracy. Cocaine can cause arterioconstriction and mental disorders. The after effect of both drugs can be severe depression. What effect does alcohol have on reaction time? B. What other short-term effect does alcohol have? C. What long-term effect can result from an excessive alcohol intake? Alcohol increases a person's reaction time. Response are slower. What other short-term effect does alcohol have? Alcohol causes vasodilation, increasing in self-confidence, reduction of accuracy, and in some people, irresponsible behavior. What long-term effect can result from an excessive alcohol intake? Excessive intake of alcohol over a long period can damage the stomach, liver, cirrhosis of the liver, nervous system, and brain. It may also induce dependency, alcoholism. If a woman thinks she's pregnant, she should A. Take no more than 3 standard alcoholic drinks per day. B. Take no more than 1 standard alcoholic drink per day. C. Take no more than 5 standard alcoholic drink per week. D. Take no alcoholic drink at all. A woman who thinks she's pregnant should take no alcohol at all. Put the following in order of their total alcohol content, starting with the strongest. Double whisk, 2 pints of cider, 3 glasses of wine, a glass of sherry, pint of beer. In order of decreasing quantity of alcohol, the drinks are arranged as follows. 2 pints of cider, those are 4 units. 3 glasses of wine, 3 units. Double whisk, 2 units. A pint of beer, 2 units. A glass of sherry, 1 unit. The beer and whisk are equal third. Which of the following is considered to be a relatively safe level of alcohol intake for a man, a woman, pregnant woman, people about to drive? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 units of alcohol, that is the standard drinks per week. Relatively safe weekly level of drinking are as follows. Men, 30 units maximum. Women, 20 units. Pregnant woman, 0 units, i.e. no safe level. D. There is no safe level for people who are going to drive. Drugs which relieve pain are called dash, readily available, non-prescription. Examples of these drugs are dash and dash. Morphine and cocaine drugs which relieve severe pain are called dash. These drugs are prescribed with care because their use can lead to dash and dash. Drugs which relieve pain are called analgesic. Readily available examples of these drugs are aspirin and paracetamol. Morphine and cocaine are called narcotic analgesic, narcotics. They are prescribed with care because their use can lead to tolerance and dependence. List 4 possible after effects of solvent abuse. For example, glue sniffing. Possible after effects of solvent abuse are headache, nausea, vomiting, convulsions, runny nose, a rash around the mouth, irritability, lethargy, depression, liver and kidney damage. Classify the following under headings: mental illness and mental handicap. Clinical depression, Down syndrome, acute anxiety, claustrophobia, phenylketonuria. Clinical depression, acute anxiety, and claustrophobia, these are examples of mental illness. Down syndrome and phenylketonuria are examples of mental handicap. Which component of diet is thought to be largely responsible for causing tooth decay? Refined sugar is the most likely cause of tooth decay. What is the connection between this substance, mouth bacteria, and tooth decay? Mouth bacteria use sugar for their metabolism and produce acids as waste products. The acids dissolve the enamel and dentine, so causing cavity in the teeth. Which one of the following is likely to be most effective in reducing dental decay? Eating crisp food, apple after meals, cutting down on sweets, biscuits, etc. between meals, cleaning the teeth after meals and at night, using an antiseptic mouthwash. Cutting down on sweets is the most effective method of reducing dental decay. What is plaque? Plaque is a film over the teeth and consists of saliva, mucus and bacteria, and the substance they produce. It may also contain mineral salts of calcium and magnesium. From which part of the teeth is it particularly important to remove plaque? It is most important to remove plaque from between the teeth and from the region where the gum covers the teeth. What gum condition may result from failure to remove plaque? Gingivitis, gum inflammation, and periodontal disease, infection of the socket, may result from failure to remove plaque. Thank you very much for participating in personal health, a self-assessment. Please do like, share, and subscribe.